Are you constantly wishing for a delicious, healthy dinner that practically cooks itself? Well, get ready because today we're transforming dinner into a truly hands-off experience with the most incredible crock-pot chicken tomatillo soup. We're talking vibrant flavors, tender chicken, and minimal effort, all thanks to your trusty slow cooker. Life moves fast, and often, cooking takes a back seat, especially when you want something genuinely nourishing without compromising taste. Who has hours to chop, simmer, and stir after a long day? That's where this brilliant tomatillo soup comes in. Imagine perfectly cooked chicken swimming in a zesty, slightly spicy broth made from fresh tomatillos, onions, garlic, and a hint of smoky chili. You just toss everything into your crock pot in the morning, set it, and forget it. The magic happens while you're out living your life. The tomatillos break down, releasing their unique tangy sweetness, creating a depth of flavor that tastes like you've been cooking for hours. By dinner time, your kitchen smells amazing, and you simply shred that fall-apart chicken right in the pot. This soup is hearty, healthy, and unbelievably comforting, proving that quick and easy can also be gourmet. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it meal that delivers big on flavor and saves you a ton of time. Seriously, this will become your new go-to. Craving more genius slow cooker recipes? Tap the video popping up next.